UIC's Flames Leadership Network is an award-winning program that has helped thousands of first-year students succeed in college. Since its launch, it's provided one-on-one coaching, workshops, and peer mentoring to nearly 4,000 UIC students. Valeria Silva, Stephen Zuniga, and Oluwatimisire Lawal were among those who credited the program with helping them navigate challenges in their first year of college. Coaches serve as guides to college life, offering support and connecting students to essential campus resources. The program has earned national recognition for enhancing college retention, particularly among first-generation students and Pell Grant recipients. As Zuniga said,
Without the help of FLN and specifically Felix, my coach, there's probably a high chance I would have dropped out.
UIC's commitment to student success is making a lasting impact, one coach, one student at a time. You can find more stories on today.uic.edu.